The Honda Accord has always been known for being smart, reliable, practical. But this new 2027 Accord? Yeah, Honda might have accidentally made it look way too cool. Just look at this thing. This 2027 Accord doesn't even feel like a normal midsize sedan anymore. It looks low, futuristic, aggressive, and honestly, it almost has this four-door coupe vibe now. Honda clearly wanted the new Accord to feel more premium and sporty without turning it into something overly complicated. And somehow, they nailed it. Up front, you get these ultra-slim LED headlights that give the car this really sharp, modern look. And the front fascia is super clean. No fake vents everywhere, no weird oversized grille, just simple, sleek design that actually looks expensive. And then from the side, this is where the car really starts to stand out. The roofline is lower and smoother, the proportions are stretched out, and the wheels fill the arches perfectly. It almost looks like Honda took inspiration from luxury EV sedans, but kept the clean Honda identity people already love. Honestly, if someone told you this was an electric Acura concept car from a few years ago, you'd probably believe them. But then you get to the rear, and wow, that full-width LED light bar completely changes the personality of the Accord. At night, this thing is gonna look insane on the road. And the rear design has this wide planted stance that makes the car feel far more upscale than previous generations. It almost feels like Honda is pushing the Accord into a completely new category. Now, Honda hasn't officially revealed all the details yet, but rumors are pointing toward updated hybrid powertrains, improved efficiency, and possibly even a more performance-focused trim with significantly more power than the current Accord hybrid. And honestly, that would make a lot of sense. Because the way this car looks now, it can't just drive like an appliance anymore. The crazy part is, the Accord has always been one of those cars that quietly did everything well. Comfortable, reliable, practical, fuel efficient. But now it actually has presence. This feels like the kind of car people buy because they genuinely want it, not just because it's the sensible option. And that's a huge deal. And timing-wise, Honda couldn't have picked a better moment for this redesign, because SUVs are everywhere now, and honestly, a lot of people are starting to miss sleek, comfortable sedans that still look stylish and fun to drive. That's exactly where this new Accord could dominate. And if Honda keeps the pricing competitive like they usually do, cars like the Toyota Camry, Hyundai Sonata, Kia K5, and even some entry-level luxury sedans might suddenly have a serious problem. Because this new Accord doesn't just look like an upgrade, it looks like Honda completely reimagined what the Accord is supposed to be. Honestly, this might end up being the coolest Accord ever made.